Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing Tower of Hell, and today I'm gonna tell you today I'm gonna just tell you some of my secrets, I guess. And if you're in the squad, you would know it. But yeah, and if I told you, you can do whatever you want. Unsubscribe me, not be a fan anymore. I don't mind if you do like that. I don't really mind because I don't really want to force people to love me and stuff. But the things are and I'm gonna tell you a little story, which is quite personal, only for the squad. In the squad, we like each other, we like as friends. It's fun and stuff, but sometimes when we get really mad, we started fighting, and it's okay if you don't want to listen to this, but I don't really mind if you want to listen to this too. But we started fighting, and this is the most personal thing from YouTube, that I'm probably gonna get banned or something, but I started, I don't know, but it's just hard to explain, let's just say that we started swearing, and we started swearing. I just don't know, and so we made up some secret swear words, I guess, like frick. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say the swear words, but frick and stuff like fudge biscuits. You know, you get it. But it's okay if you want to unsubscribe us. I'm actually really okay with that. I just want to make people happy, but I just don't know how to. I'm quite bad at making people happy. I just don't know what should I do or not. I just don't know what to say for this YouTube channel. And also, please forgive me by doing bad stuff. And also, guys, I was thinking if I should leave the squad, because I've been giving them a lot of troubles, and I think I shouldn't do that, because that is not good for the squad. And I didn't want to do that for the squad. I wanted to have a happy squad, like Inquisitor Master. Yeah, like that, or Soup. They are pretty happy squad, but I don't really think ours like them. So, and I figured out that I was the one, I think I was the one that did all those things, and I just really don't like it. I just feel like I need some personal space. And today, we kinda also fight in this morning at 4 a.m. But I'm just trying to be nice. I try to be nice, but it's hard for me. It's too hard for me. Yeah, and I'm gonna join another. I'm just gonna join my game. By the way, I was playing an Ike's private server, and yeah, I just feel like I was something wrong. But that is one of our squad secrets. I know I shouldn't say it. Ike Kaler, the squats. Yes, I did say, yes, I said, because I don't know what to say. And I just don't know what to say. And also, the squads, if you're watching this, just, I don't know, just forgive me or something. Yeah. And also, please comment down below if I should leave the squad or not, because I feel like I should leave, because I'm the one who made all the trouble. And, yeah. And please don't subscribe the other squad, the other people, the other of my friends, the other squad, like Ike Kaler. Please don't do it. But you can do it on me. I don't really mind that much. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this, and I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Enjoy this storytelling thing. Yeah. I'll see you guys in, I guess, Ike's video today, tomorrow, I don't know. But, yeah. And also, please go subscribe to them. Subscribe to IkeTube and KaylaTube. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to, I don't really mind. Make sure to, I don't really mind, again, to subscribe, like, and share. Third time, I don't really mind. So, yeah. Bye, guys.